Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking and this is my daily checklist video. So today I work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I check all my mail as well as I check my rental channel beta team and my mail, and then I go to my Google Drive also. Over there I check open my ultimate list, BA task management, and over there I follow all the detail what you have already submitted our BA task management. Today I work on BRK file and I submitted my research product on my channel. Please check out over here. I put it here. I got some MEP product. So this is BRK research product, and I submitted KGT ad, and also I submitted a mail to a new one, and I also set on the rental channel of some detail of the new tenant, and also check the Emacs bill. Still now we have not got the next month detail yet. So this is my all works actually today. Today I didn't make any videos actually. Tomorrow we will make some video for process state. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video.